I've got to use my monkey bike outside. I'll do this one first. I'll try and polish up the mudguards. So so I'll polish trying, I'll get white polish everywhere. And then I'll do the bodywork. I love some of this cutting agent into this white. The white of that to see what it does. So I'll work away at this for a wee while, I'll do front and back. See where we're at. Right, that's me giving this wee Honda a polish up. Kind of about as far as I can go until I get the bits for it, or there's bits of overspray and stuff. I'll get somebody to help me wipe them off. And if there's any fucking white polish on it, which I try not to, but no doubt there will be bits of white where it shouldn't be. But I gave the whole thing a wee polish. I did. Spent a bit of time on the mudguards, like, you know, to try and shine them up. Aye, right, that'll do then, I'll do the BSA next. Aye. Put this away in it. Right, I'm at the old BSA. I'm cleaning it up today. A bit more on the Honda too. And I'm just removing the seat. See here the vinyls come off. This needs stuck on and very grinned. It's been annoying me, so a good time to do it. I've got the bolt out at the front. It's a big bolt that goes through a wee spacer. Adds that on in the horn. This is a nut and bolt and washer here. Aye. Washer on the other side of that. No wires on it, I'm none. No. Right. Oh, that's the right bolt. There's one on the other side too. Right, sure it is. There it is. Put that on there. So, there is none. Maybe that's another bolt for it. Take this one out and see what happens. Right, so start this Bantam seat. Now it's not that wee bolt, I put that back in, that's solely for the carrier. I can feel a bracket going down there at the back of the shocky bolt at the top. So I wonder if I just take that off, spanner on there, socket on there. You wind the bolt out enough just so you're not pulling the shocky out, you're only pulling out enough as to get that flat bar off. I thought I'd had the seat off this before and it wasn't too involved, but maybe not. I thought it just unbolted at the front and pulled out, but no, I don't think so. I want to chip all the paint and ratchets and spanners and stuff. But I need to get it off because I don't think I'll be able to do that. Could we do that without taking it off maybe? You get the glue up the back there and get it pulled down and pegged. Maybe we'll get a spanner on a socket and crack the shocky bolts and see if it's, because I'll be able to tell if it listens it. Right, I've cracked these two shocky bolts and I think, yes, it's just hooked on there. You don't actually have to take them off, you're a dancer. Right, that's better, because I was dreading taking them off. There we go, that's easy enough then. Finish cleaning under there now. Aye, sound. I just cracked the shocky bolts. I dreading it. I thought they were nylon bolts and I was going to have to unscrew them all the way out. And, and I put my hand under and I thought, sound. I'll get my polishing cloths. There's my balancer. There's a seat off the Bantam on the bench. Done a bit more cleaning on the wee Honda. A bit more on the BSA. I'll probably do it now. So I'll get that seat fixed. I'll get some glue for that and some wee pegs and fling it back on. And then, aye, try and get this one to go as well. Sure it will. Oh well. I'll just put the seat back on the BSA. Turns out you didn't have to take this front bolt out either. I do slacken it, but it's fine. Seat's back on. The vinyl's stuck all in. It's repaired. Mint. So the next thing I'll be get a battery onto this and see if I can get this one to go now. Get a wee handle for somebody. Right, that's good. That's the seat back on. It's not lying a bit now. What a heat it is now.